Alright, this video we're going to talk about your banner. What we want to do is make sure we're logged in, come to the admin section, and we want to find the homepage slider tab. Go ahead and click that. And right now I just got 3 generic default sliders. You can call them whatever title you want. If we go ahead and click this top one, we'll see I just call it slide 3. That's up to you what you want to call it. You can call it whatever. That's just my default name for it. Okay, so first thing we want to see is this right here, the text. This little generic dummy text that I have in this text field, this text box. Excuse me, that's what shows up here. Okay. Alright, next thing I want to show you is over to the right. Right below this publish box is the order box, attributes box. We can actually change the order of it. So right now it's number 2. So if I look at these kids on the front end, let me refresh this. The first one, the kid's number 2. So when you're making these, you can order it. If you want to change the order, you just come in here and change this to a 3 or a 1 or a 5 or whatever you have going on. Next is the actual featured image. This is what we use to create, or excuse me, to upload the image that fits and sits right in here in this banner. It sits right in this section right here. Let's go ahead and do one from scratch so that way you can see how this upload works. We're going to click Add New from this section, or we can click Add New from here. Let's just see, testing. I'm going to delete this out. Some text goes here. Our order, we'll make this, let's see, we got 4 in there now, we'll make this number 4. I'll click my set featured image and get my dialog box. I can either choose from the media library, and real quick, the media library hosts on your server every picture you have uploaded through WordPress to date. So as of right now, any picture I've uploaded to any section, it stores and saves it here. So I can actually scroll through here, and look for the picture that I want to post in that section. Okay, or I can do a new one, so I can do that from my computer. I can drag and drop right in there, or I can click select, and I can go grab me a picture. So let's see if we got one for ColdRush we can just do real quick. That's a little too vertical. We need something a little horizontal. What we got in here? Yeah, that's a bit large, but let's just go ahead and go with it. Select it. Going to compress it down. It's a little bit large, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer than it normally would, just because the picture, really when you upload a picture, you probably don't want anything over 1,400 pixels in width. This picture is about 3,000, so that's about double what I would recommend, because one, it takes longer to upload, 2, it's just going to be slow on your server, and then slow for the page to load, so you kind of want to cut down those things. So I've uploaded the picture, we got descriptions and some other information we can enter if we want to, but really what we're interested in is clicking Use as Featured Image. And if you remember, that's what we're setting. We're setting our featured image for the banner. I'm going to go ahead and use as featured image. Go ahead and close out. I can see that's the picture I've chose. And if I publish this, and then come to the front end and refresh. Let's see, let's scroll through. Thought I clicked it, maybe not. 2, 3, and then the next one should be the picture we just did. And there it is. Okay, we'll see our text, and we'll also see there's no button, there's no read me or see more or anything. We see our text, right? So how do we take care of that? Pretty simple. We come back to the admin, and we'll see slide info right in here. So button text, what's it going to say? See more. Our link, if they click it, where does it go? I'm not going to put anything now, but maybe you want it to go to the About page. So I would copy that URL, such as this, copy it, paste it right in there, paste it right here, sorry. And then if they click that banner image, it's going to go to that page. And you can even set it to an external link. Maybe you want it to go to an outside site, not your own site. You could do that as well. Now, if you're doing a video, all this same stuff would apply. You're still going to upload your featured image. You can set an image for the video, your text, but you put in your video URL. So I think you use YouTube, so you would paste in your full URL from YouTube. So whatever's up in this address bar right here for YouTube, paste that in, and then when they click the button, it opens up the video. I don't know if you want to do see more, maybe see video or something like that, or watch video, whatever. But it's quite easy. Paste in your video link, and you're good to go. And anytime you make any changes, go ahead and click update. Simple, easy peasy. If you need to delete something, we can do it 2 different ways. We can click move the trash, or we can come here and do trash, or better yet, a third way is to check it, and then we can do move the trash. And even once you move the trash, it's not permanently deleted. You can still recover it. So if I click the trash button or link, I'll see anything that's in the trash, and I can delete permanently or restore it. And that goes for everything in here. That goes for your pages and other stuff. The delete and trash system works the same across the board. Okay, that's going to do it for the banner.